What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys how I reached over 100K on TikTok, like on my business page. I feel like honestly that like it is like really simple and really easy to grow on there once you start getting into like the groove of things, once you start learning the pattern, the algorithms, the trends, and all that good stuff, and the key points and what to do and what not to do. Okay, so before we get into it, you have to have a TikTok account. Okay, don't get discouraged. First of all, I'm telling you guys, let's get into it. I'm telling you guys what worked for me. What worked for me may not work for you, okay? But I'm just telling you what worked for me. So first, you have to have a TikTok account. Do not. I feel like when you sign up for TikTok on your business page, I feel like you should not have a business TikTok, because it limits a lot of things. Like it limits you using certain sounds that might get you, viral, like good music. You will always have to have like off-brand sound. It wouldn't be like, a sound from like an artist, like a real artist. Let's say for instance Nicki Minaj uploaded a song on TikTok. You wouldn't be able to use her sound like as a business, and I don't even know why that is, and I don't even know why they do that. It's kind of weird, but yeah. So try to do a creator or a personal. I think they got creator, personal, or whatever, so you can use all the good sounds and stuff like that. So you have to, okay, let's start off with creating a video. Okay, so when creating a video, you must make sure like you grabbing your audience attention. You want everybody to watch the video to the end. You don't want them to just keep scrolling and scrolling. You know how some people, they just be scrolling on TikTok, they don't even be watching the video all the way through. Like if it's not like, you're like, and then they just keep on scrolling. You want them to watch it all the way through. So make sure your video has good lighting. Invest in you like a ring light or like a small camera light for your phone. It's on Amazon. You can get one for like $30, or you can get a ring light for like $70, a good one or whatever. And like really have like a plain background. Don't have too much in the background distracting everybody from your product, because that can be real distracting. I learned to stop recording videos in front of this flower wall, because I felt like, first of all, it was making the video a little like a shade, like a tint, and I didn't like it. You know what I'm saying? So it was already doing too much in the background. When you have too much in the background, you can't really focus on the product. So I started doing like on a plain white wall, gray wall, whatever. My wall's kind of grayish, whatever. A plain wall like that, you know what I'm saying? So the light can really hit and shine on the product. The product can really like, show itself. So once you do that, once you have the great lighting, once you have like a plain background, good background, you have to have a quality camera. Like get you an iPhone. You got an iPhone camera. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to have like a Canon or anything like that. You can literally use your iPhone, period. You can take pictures and stuff like that. I'm going to show you guys one day how to actually do it and stuff like that. But yeah, so when you do the video, try to find a trending sound. Like if it's like you gotta try to find a trending sound with that good quality video. That is what you need. And then also when you go to the hashtags, do not be putting all them hashtags. Sometimes it works. Sometimes I see videos, sometimes people have a lot of hashtags, they be but sometimes it's the video. What's in the video be crazy as hell. That's why they be having so many views, I feel like. But don't be using all them hashtags. Y'all can literally just use like 4 to 5 hashtags. Sometimes when I do 4 hashtags, I find out my videos be doing better than when I use 5. Use the target hashtags. Don't be using like real like specific. I would like don't use really real like specific like hashtags. Like for example, like use like broad, like beaded bracelets, for example. If you're showing a video of beaded bracelets, just say beaded bracelets. Hashtag beaded bracelets. But for you, sometimes of course be like bracelet plug. Some of those like that, I'm just saying, I'm just bouncing off my head with some that I use for my videos and stuff like that. Don't be like black bohemian beaded bracelet. Like that's too specific. Like you get what I'm saying? Like, okay, so then y'all gotta work on y'all post times and how many times y'all post on TikTok. Sometimes like flooding TikTok can really get you like shadow banned. I feel like I don't know, it's like a hit or a miss. Like I see some people that's like creators, dancers and stuff like that. I'm not talking about businesses. They post like 10 12 times a day, and they, you know what I'm saying, but that's what they do all the time. Once you get in the groove of something, like if you post 10 12 times a day, you gotta do that every day to keep it up. Like, because once you get in that algorithm, as you posting that many times, you don't have to keep it up. And once you fall off, I think your views are going to fall off. I don't know. I feel like that's how it works. So I feel like you should post at least 2 to 3 times a day. Key times, so I feel like I post on TikTok. I'm going to give you guys a gem. I post at 11:30, 3:30, and 6:30. I do those times specifically most of the time when I, you know what I'm saying, be consistent and stuff like that and post on time. You know what I'm saying? It seems to work for me and my views and stuff like that, and my customer and my, you know what I'm saying, follower base. So sometimes you can post at 9:32 to catch, like, you know what I'm saying, the late crowd if you want to post 4 times a day. But 5 times a day, I don't know. If you want to post like early in the morning, like 9:30, 11:30, 3:30, 6:30, 9:30. If that's what you want to do that. But if you don't have that much content and you just want to post like 2 to 3 times, like if you want to post 2 times, I feel like you should do 11:30, and I feel like you should do 6:30, because like you get like, you know what I'm saying, night and evening type shit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. So once you get on a consistent posting basis, and you make trending, and like once you get on a consistent posting basis, and once you start making like trendy videos, like y'all, okay, so another way that you can, you know what I'm saying, get inspiration, or, you know what I'm saying, get on trends, just look up people in your niche. Like if you sell purses, look at other businesses and purses, look at their videos. I'm not saying copy exactly like theirs, make something like that video, you know what I'm saying, use that sound. Sometimes go get sounds from other businesses, recreate videos, you know what I'm saying, not to like copy, but put your own twist on it, you know what I'm saying. Follow the wave, get on the waves, get on trends. You see other businesses in your niche doing a trend, do the trend. Like that's another way to get a lot of followers. Use viral sounds. If you know like one of your videos, this sound got your video 100,000 views, use that sound. So you can't use it no more. So you can't get no more views. I got this one sound on my page. If you guys on my page right now, go peep. Go steal that sound if you want to steal it. It's one sound on my page. I'm not going to tell you exactly. I can't even tell you exactly what. But it's one sound on my TikTok page at KAccessories_ that you guys can steal. I feel like it gets videos views, and I don't even know why. It's like a simple sound, but it's just go to one of my videos that's like at 100K right now, or 50K or something like that. Just go to it and steal that sound. I promise you, your video will pop. If you make a popping video, it will pop. I'm telling you, with that sound, I'm telling you, it'll get you, it'll grow you. I literally I gained like what, 10,000 followers this week or whatever. That's good for me, because like I feel like I've been stagnant on TikTok. I haven't really been, like, you know what I'm saying, putting out like brand new content and stuff like that. So now that I have switched up my content, and y'all cannot just keep posting the same content. Okay, let's get into it. So you cannot keep posting the same content. Your videos are just gonna get duller and duller and duller. If you keep posting product videos, not doing nothing else, keep posting new arrivals, just posting like what's coming in, you're not showing like how your product can be useful, like how your product, like, okay, so with my videos, like I do a stretch test with my bracelets, you know what I'm saying, because I want to show people that my bracelets are like durable, you know what I'm saying. You can rely on my bracelets, they're long lasting and stuff like that. Or you could do like you know what I'm saying, like left or right, which one would you pick, or would you wear, or rate this order. I'm giving you guys ideas. Okay, rate this order, or, you know what I'm saying, which color, what else, then you could do videos with you in it, show your face. Okay guys, stuff is changing, stuff is always changing, so you have to show your face now. I feel like you have to show your face at least sometimes. Like, for real, do trending videos like with your face and your product, you showing your product, you demonstrating your product, you wearing your product, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff. People want to see that. Take them with you a day in your life, take them with you to the post office, you know, show behind the scenes, let them get to know you, build a start trying to build trust with your followers and stuff like that. That's also gets you more sales. That's in another video I was supposed to be doing. So yeah, we're gonna get into that a little later. But yeah, so also go live at least 3 times a week. You know what I'm saying? Show your face and let the people know you're real. Be interesting, play games on your live, like do raffles. I get like, you know how many followers you can get like from live? Like if you just real interesting, your products are popping, and you doing like raffles, you doing giveaways, or you're doing a sale while you're on live. That's another way. But yeah, so those are like key things to building your followers on TikTok. I feel like I touched on a lot of things. Like I'm not gonna say too much. I really need to do an ebook. I do have an ebook on how to grow on Instagram. I will be doing that video next. I'm going to try to like drop some gems on you guys and give you some key pointers that's also inside the ebook as well. But I'm going to be coming out with an ebook on how to grow on TikTok, like for real. And most of the stuff that I said on this video is going to be in the ebook, but I'm going to go into depth, into detail and stuff like that. I'm going to see how I can just find a way to start like demonstrating and adding videos to like my ebooks or something like that, like tutorials, like me showing you guys. I want to like do that. I don't know how I can do that. But yeah, so I'm going to be telling you guys how to grow on Instagram next, so stay tuned. If you do have some questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out the description box as well. Bye.